Hi, everybody. We're going to do some math and go over some math examples and what we need to do. So I'm going to go into screen share and show you some wonderful stuff that we've been working on. So everyone should see this picture. There are two children riding scooters and there are two children riding bicycles. So we want to know how many children are there in all. And if you know anything about me, you know I like to use the cross and count. So I'm going to circle the two groups that they told us. So we have two kids on a scooter and we have two kids in bikes. So we're going to add 2 plus 2. And you know I like to cross and count. So let's cross and count together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 plus 2 is 4. And now we have to answer the missing question at the bottom. It says that there are blank children in all. So we know if there are two children riding scooters and there are two children riding bikes, there are 4 children all together. Let's go on to the next one. Jacob is flying a kite. 4 of his friends are swimming. How many children are in all? So let's circle our two groups. We have our friend Jacob right here. And we have 4 friends playing in the water. So we're gonna start with that number 1. They gave us it in the equation. So the next number we're gonna add to it is 4 because there are 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 kids in the water. So 1 plus 4. If you don't know it off the top of your head, you can go back and cross and count all of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 kids. There are 5 kids in all. Let's keep going. We're doing a really good job. Let's look at this one. There are 3 yellow balloons. There are 3 pink balloons. How many balloons are in all? Well, let's circle our two groups. We have a group of yellow and we have a group of red. Sorry, that's definitely pink, and a group of pink. So they gave us those 3 yellow balloons. And how many pink balloons do we have? 1, 2, 3. So we're going to add 3 plus 3. Some of you I know can do this in your head. But if you're like me, you're going to go back and cross and count. So we're going to count all the balloons together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 plus 3 is 6. There are 6 balloons in all. Now, there are 2 balls in the basket, and James puts in 4 more balls. So they want to know how many balls are in the basket. So what are we going to do? We're going to count the balls. They don't want to know the number equation, but we'll write it at the end. So let's count how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 balls in all. Now let's see if we can write the number equation. So they told us there were 2 balls in the basket. Here we put our addition symbol. And how many balls did James hold in his hands? 4. 2 plus 4, then we put our equal sign. 2 plus 4 equals 6. There are 6 balls in all. So remember, when we write an equation, we're going to put 2 groups together. So we just did 2 plus 4. Always remember that equal sign, equals 6. Here's one for you to do on your own. 3. I'm going to make it really hard. 3 plus 5. You can figure out what 3 plus 5 is. I want you to put it into Seesaw and give me the answer. That way I know that you understand what we're doing. Keep it up. Good job, everybody. Bye-bye.